So these are all the bulbs that we ordered, and here they are. So oh, and it gives you instructions on how to plant, which is super cool. So we have, this is the Muscari Valerie Grape Hyacinth. What else do we have? This is the Tulip Clearwater. I think these are white bulbs. We have more grape hyacinth, and this is 100 seeds or bulbs. And what's in here? We have the Tulip Renowned Unique. And as I'm going through the bulbs, I will put the picture of what they look like on the screen. So here we have the Tulip Harbor Light. This is 10 bulbs. Then we have Tulip Foxy Trot. I'm not really remembering these names, but they're in the box and I just ordered it. So this is Tulip Daytona, and this is 10 bulbs. And then we have Tulip Brisbane, and this is 10 bulbs. Tulip Spring Green, 10 bulbs. And it's cool because it tells you how many inches they get. So, and then like the instructions for it in the bag, which is really nice. This is Exotic Emperor Tulips. This is 10 bulbs. And then on this one, this is the Renowned Unique again. So I guess if you order multiple, they don't put it in the same bag. Yep, more Tulip Daytona. And then what is this? I don't remember ordering this. This says Anemone Blonda Blue Shades Windflowers. I probably did. More Foxy Trot Tulip Turkin Stanica, Tulip Sylvestris, Tulip Lilac Wander, and Tulip Pinka. So this is going to be so much fun. So I'm going to show you how we are going to plant this. We did order from Dutch Grown. It was a little annoying though because we had placed the order to come in September, and maybe it didn't come in September because our zone, we're zone 7, I believe, and on the website it asks when do you want it delivered, but I didn't realize it went by like your zone. So I thought it was supposed to come in September and it didn't, so that was a little annoying, but they're here. So it is October 2nd or October 3rd. It's October 3rd, and I'm super excited because they finally came, and we're gonna show you what we're gonna do with it. Yeah. So we do have some weeds that I have to pick out, but we are getting some buds. As you can see, it's a lot coming up. This is going to look so beautiful. It's gonna be so pretty.
Maybe they like the way that plant sings.
So we're gonna dig a hole and we're gonna plant these red tulips around the base of the tree. We have some there from last year, so we're just gonna continue it all the way around. Recording? Sophie, come here. Come here. No, she don't want to come. Come here.